What's up, sweeties? It's Tia, and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. Come on and join the fun.
Cause I'm crazy and I'm sexy and I'm cool. Little rough around the edges, but I keep it smooth. I'm always left the center, and that's right where I belong. I'm the random man, and don't you hear it? Major song, and I like that.
So, Amara got a mini donut maker
For Christmas.
And we're going to try to make these mini donuts using this Duncan Hines cake mix. We're just going to follow the recipe on the back. So we need 3/4 cup of water, 3 large eggs, and 7 tablespoons of melted butter. So we have our eggs here. We have our cake mix. We're going to melt some butter. We have our water. We have our bowl and spoon. So let's get started. What I need you to do first is give this video a fat thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Click the bell to notify each and every time I do post a video. Also, say hey family in the comment section. Let's get started.